This Java code defines a class named solution with a method firstUniqChar that takes a string s as input and returns the index of the first non-repeating character within that string. Here's a step-by-step explanation of the method 1. It starts by creating an array count of size 26. This array will hold the frequency of each lowercase letter of the English alphabet, assuming s contains only lowercase letters. The index of the array represents the letter 0 for A, 1 for B, and so on. 2. The first for loop iterates over each character in the string s by index from 0 to the length of the string, s.length, exclusive. For each character, it increments the count in the count array corresponding to the letter. For example, if the letter is A, count 0 will be incremented by 1. This is done by taking the ASCII value of the character at I, subtracting the ASCII value of A, to get the index from 0 to 25, and then incrementing the value at that index in the count array. 3. The second for loop again iterates over each character in the string s. For each character, it checks the count array to see if the frequency of that character is 1. If it finds such a character, it immediately returns the index I, which is the position of the first unique character in the string s. 4. If no unique character is found after the second loop ends, the method returns -1. This indicates that there are no unique characters in the string s. So in summary, the firstUniqChar method identifies the first character in a string that doesn't repeat by counting the occurrences of each character and checking these counts in the order of the string's characters.